working with real estate agents for sellers. This is the form that we will sign when we decide we're going to work together. And what it explains is that I'm going to be looking after you as the listing agent. I will be representing you, the seller. So what do I do in that? One, of course, I will be taking care of all the paperwork. I will be marketing your home. I will be doing all the negotiations. There are quite a few negotiations throughout the process. Not only are we going to have price and terms, but once we may or may not have repairs, there are different things that we have to negotiate along the way. Of course, I'll be offering advice from what I'm seeing in the market, what I've seen in the past, and how best to help you navigate through the transaction. And of course, I'll be taking care of any disclosures that are needed. But the purpose of this form is to disclose to you that I'll be looking after your best interest, and everything you share with me will be confidential, and I will be taking care of all my fiduciary duties towards you and making sure we get the best terms, the best price, and get you where you need to go in a timely manner. Let me know if you have other questions, and of course, I can share this brochure and I can answer questions if you want. All right, thank you.